everyone, yasas que kalos sirtate to another episode of Dimitra's Dishes. Today we're making a classic Greek recipe known as Plaki. This is so simple. It's one of those recipes where simple ingredients really shine. I use white fish for this, and it's roasted in the oven with a light tomato sauce, caramelized onions. I love to add olives on top of this, just adds so much more flavor. Let me show you how I make it. Okay, we're gonna begin with the sauce. So I have a large onion here. I'm just gonna peel it really well and then cut it in half and slice it really thinly into half moons. This is gonna go into my skillet with lots of olive oil, about 1/4 cup of it. And the onions are gonna cook over medium heat for about 10 minutes until they're nice and soft and golden. Then we'll go in with 4 or 5 garlic cloves that have been grated, just warm them through until they're fragrant. A 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes. You can use tomato sauce if you like, but the crushed tomatoes are what I had on hand. If you're using tomato sauce, then skip the little pinch of sugar that's gonna go in the end. We're gonna season the sauce with salt, freshly cracked black pepper, a little bit of crushed red pepper flakes for a tiny kick of heat, a heaping spoonful of dried crushed oregano, and a teaspoon of granulated sugar or honey to offset the acidity from the tomatoes. Now, I did get a lot of tips online from you guys. A lot of people skip the sugar and they add a carrot in there and then they take the carrot out. I haven't tried that, but you can give it a try and let me know how that works out. We're gonna cook the sauce for about 5 to 10 minutes until it thickens and it just cooks down a little bit. And then I have white fish for this. Traditionally, codfish is used. I have a combination of codfish and some red snapper fillets. So these are gonna go into my baking pan. I'm gonna pour the sauce all over the top, and I love to add Kalamata olives to this, but I don't have Kalamata olives. I have these green ones that are stuffed with garlic cloves. I love these. I buy these from Costco and they're so fresh and good. I'm just gonna slice them up and sprinkle them over the top of the sauce and the fish. This is gonna go in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and it's gonna bake in the oven for 30 to 40 minutes or until the fish flakes easily and it's fully cooked. This is so delicious. All that's left is a little sprinkling of finely chopped parsley. You can serve this with toasted bread to soak up that sauce, pasta, potatoes, rice. There's so many options, and I'll put them all on the blog post. It's ready to serve. So this Plaki is one of my favorite ways to make fish. Again, you use very simple ingredients. It's ready in no time. It's perfect for family gatherings or weeknight dinner because it comes together so quickly. But it's also a perfect dish if you want to serve, if you're hosting a dinner party, just because it's so good. There are so many options for sides when it comes to serving this. Traditionally, we just warm up some crusty, warm bread and make a nice salad on the side. The bread just soaks up that sauce and the meal is done. But roasted potatoes are great on the side. If you want to make a chickpea and rice pilaf, that goes delicious with this as well. The options are so many, and I'll post them on the blog post so I can give you ideas. Time for the taste test. It smells so good. Greek food is so comforting. It's so simple, yet loaded with flavor. The onions are caramelized and they give a little bit of a sweetness. So does the tomato sauce. The tomato sauce cooks more in the oven, sweetens a little bit more, it thickens. The white fish that we're using in this, I used cod and snapper as you saw because that's what I had on hand. I have made this with salmon as well and it comes out really good. And then I just love adding Kalamata olives, which I didn't have, but these green olives are chef's kiss. They're so good. Olives in a tomato sauce, if you've never had them, it just elevates it and just makes it so much better, especially when the olives are roasted in the oven. They become a little bit milder. They're a little nutty, briny. I hope you guys love this recipe. If you test it out and you like it, let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Print the recipe out and go ahead and look at all of the options, the pairing options on the blog, dimitrasdishes.com. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. I'll see you all next time. Yasas.